Have you ever wondered how hackers identify vulnerabilities in a network? Well, one of the key techniques they use is called SMB analysis. For the uninitiated, SMB stands for Server Message Block, a network protocol that facilitates the sharing of resources like files and printers among networked computers. Now, when it comes to cybersecurity, SMB analysis plays a crucial role. By examining the SMB traffic between computers, we can discern valuable information about the network's architecture and potentially its weak points. This makes SMB analysis a powerful tool in the hands of ethical hackers and cybersecurity professionals for identifying network vulnerabilities. But it's not just about finding the weak spots. SMB analysis is also about strengthening network security by addressing these vulnerabilities. So, whether you're a seasoned cybersecurity enthusiast or a curious newbie, understanding SMB analysis should be high on your list. Stay tuned as we delve deeper into the intricacies of SMB analysis. So why is SMB analysis so crucial in network security? Well, it's like a detective's magnifying glass, revealing the hidden vulnerabilities within a network. SMB, or Server Message Block, is a communication protocol used for sharing access to files, printers, and other resources on a network. However, this very utility can also be a gateway for unauthorized access if not properly secured. By conducting SMB analysis, we can identify these potential weak points and take measures to strengthen them. It's a proactive approach to network security, like a health checkup for your network's immune system. It helps prevent cyber attacks by spotting the vulnerabilities before they can be exploited. SMB analysis also plays a vital role in ethical hacking. Ethical hackers, or white hat hackers, use SMB analysis to identify security risks and help organizations fortify their network defenses. Now that we understand its importance, let's explore how SMB analysis works. Ready to learn about the various tools and techniques used in SMB analysis? First off, let's dig into the world of SMB analysis tools. These are software applications that make it easier to conduct effective and efficient SMB analysis. Some notable ones include the likes of Nmap, Metasploit, and SMB Map. Nmap, for instance, is a free and open-source utility that network administrators use to discover hosts and services on a computer network. This tool can help identify potential vulnerabilities in a network's SMB configuration, making it a valuable asset in SMB analysis. Next up is Metasploit, a penetration testing platform that provides information about security vulnerabilities and aids in penetration testing and IDS signature development. It's like the Swiss Army knife of SMB analysis, offering a range of tools for identifying, testing, and exploiting vulnerabilities. Then we have SMB Map, a handy tool that allows users to enumerate Samba share drives across an entire domain. It can reveal valuable information about the SMB services running on a network, including the number of shares, their names, and their permissions. Now, let's switch gears and talk about the techniques used in SMB analysis. These methods help in understanding the data these tools produce and in making the most of the gathered information. One key technique is port scanning. This involves checking for open ports on a network and identifying the services running on them. This is crucial as it can reveal potential entry points for hackers. Another technique is vulnerability scanning. This process involves identifying, defining, classifying, and prioritizing vulnerabilities in computer systems, applications, and network infrastructures. It provides the organization with the necessary knowledge, awareness, and risk background to understand the threats to its environment and react appropriately. Finally, we have penetration testing. This is a simulated cyber attack against a computer system to check for exploitable vulnerabilities. It's the ultimate test of a network's security, providing a comprehensive view of its strengths and weaknesses. With the right tools and techniques, SMB analysis can be a powerful defense against cyber threats. Remember, knowledge is power, and in the realm of cybersecurity, it's your best line of defense. Wondering how SMB analysis is applied in real-life scenarios? Well, let's dive into some practical examples where SMB analysis has been instrumental in identifying and mitigating security threats. Imagine a multinational corporation with a vast network of computers and servers. The IT team conducts regular security audits, but unbeknownst to them, a group of hackers has been slowly infiltrating their systems. How? They've exploited a vulnerability in the SMB protocol. This is where SMB analysis comes into play. By examining the traffic on the SMB ports, the IT team could have detected the unusual activity, potentially preventing the breach before it occurred. In another instance, consider a small business owner who falls victim to a ransomware attack. The culprit? Once again, an exploited SMB vulnerability. Had SMB analysis been employed, the business owner could have identified the compromised system and isolated it, minimizing the damage and potential loss of sensitive data. These are not isolated incidents. SMB analysis is a key weapon in the arsenal of cybersecurity experts globally. For instance, during a red team assessment, a simulated cyber attack on an organization, SMB analysis can help the team identify weak points in the network's defenses. By understanding the SMB traffic, they can anticipate potential attack vectors, allowing for more robust and resilient cybersecurity measures. Even in legal and ethical hacking practices, SMB analysis proves invaluable. Ethical hackers, also known as white hat hackers, use SMB analysis to uncover hidden vulnerabilities within networks and systems. These findings then allow organizations to fortify their networks, enhancing their overall cybersecurity posture. In the ever-evolving landscape of cybersecurity, SMB analysis is a constant. From legacy systems to modern networks, its importance cannot be overstated. Its adaptability to changing technology landscapes underscores its relevance in detecting and defending against cyber threats. So, whether it's a multinational corporation, a small business, or an ethical hacker, SMB analysis is a crucial tool in maintaining network security. It uncovers hidden network risks, enhances cybersecurity awareness, and strengthens cyber resilience. As you can see, SMB analysis plays a vital role in maintaining network security. It's not just a tool, but a shield, tirelessly working to safeguard our networks in an increasingly digital world. Scene script. Are you an ethical hacker looking to leverage SMB analysis in your security assessments? Well, you're in the right place. SMB analysis, or server message block analysis, is a powerful tool that can help you detect vulnerabilities in network systems. But like any tool, it's most effective when used correctly. First and foremost, keep your SMB analysis tools up to date. New threats emerge constantly, and your tools need to evolve with them. Regular updates ensure you're equipped with the latest defenses against potential cyber attacks. Next, understand your target environment. Each network is unique with its own set of vulnerabilities. When you understand the specifics of the network you're assessing, you can tailor your SMB analysis to be more precise and efficient. Also, remember to be thorough. SMB analysis is a detailed process, and skipping steps could mean missing critical vulnerabilities. Take your time, follow the process, and don't rush. The goal is to identify as many potential threats as possible, not to finish quickly. Additionally, consider using multiple tools. No single tool can identify every vulnerability. By using a combination of tools, you can cover more ground and increase your chances of detecting hidden threats. And lastly, always follow ethical guidelines. As an ethical hacker, you have a responsibility to use your skills for good. Never exploit the vulnerabilities you find for personal gain. Instead, report them to the relevant authorities so they can be addressed. But let's not forget about continuous learning. The world of cybersecurity is constantly changing. Stay informed about the latest trends, threats, and countermeasures. Attend workshops, webinars, and conferences. Read articles and research papers. Join online forums and communities of practice. Continuous learning will keep your skills sharp and your knowledge current. Remember, with SMB analysis, knowledge is your best defense against cyber threats. So keep learning, keep practicing, and keep contributing to the safer digital world we all share. Are you ready for a quick recap of what we've covered today? Let's start with the basics. SMB analysis is a critical tool in the cybersecurity toolkit. It's a method that allows us to examine server message block traffic within a network, helping us to identify potential vulnerabilities that could be exploited by malicious actors. We delved into the importance of SMB analysis in network security. By effectively analyzing SMB traffic, we can pinpoint weaknesses in our systems and take proactive steps to secure them, thereby reducing the risk of cyber attacks. We also discussed how SMB analysis plays a pivotal role in red team assessments, penetration testing, and in building cyber resilience within organizations. Next, we explored the various tools and techniques used in SMB analysis. From simple command line interfaces to more sophisticated software solutions, these tools enable us to conduct thorough examinations of our network traffic. Remember, the right tool for the job depends on your specific needs and the complexity of your network environment. We also took a look at real-life applications of SMB analysis. It's one thing to talk about concepts in theory, but another to see them in action. From detecting ransomware attacks to uncovering hidden network risks, SMB analysis has proven to be invaluable in a variety of practical scenarios. Finally, we shared some best practices for ethical hackers using SMB analysis. These included staying updated with the latest developments in SMB analysis and always adhering to ethical and legal guidelines when conducting security assessments. We also touched on the evolution of SMB analysis, from its use in legacy systems to its adaptability in modern networks. The landscape of cybersecurity is always changing, and SMB analysis continues to evolve to meet these challenges. That concludes our comprehensive guide to SMB analysis. Remember, the world of cybersecurity is always evolving, so keep learning, stay vigilant, and you'll be well equipped to tackle any network threats that